Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix!
And today on the show, we're gonna draw a cute puppy. Let's get to it.
Yeah!
Woo!
Woo.
All right, remember, pens, paper. Okay, our first step is we're gonna draw two little cute eyes on the puppy in the middle here. So you wanna go sort of on an angle. They're kind of like raisins. So one like that. Color it in. Good job, Phoenix. And then we want to go on another angle over here, like this, like so. So they're about the same size, but they're on angles, they're raisins. So this puppy's going to have really deep, dark eyes. All right, so the next step is we're going to do the puppy's nose. So it's going to be a triangle. So in just down here, you want to do like a kind of a V or an upside down triangle, like that. Yep, and then we want to cover the top in like that. So it's like it's kind of like a chip, I guess. Taco chip. And color it in. Kind of looks a bit like some dog paws, doesn't it? So next we're going to do the puppy's side of his cheeks and sort of the bottom of his mouth and around here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start here, over here, the line. We're going to go down. That's the side of his face, his cheek, sort of where his mouth would be. Come all the way around, and then we're going to go back up to there, like that. We're not going to connect it at the top just yet, okay? I'll show you in a minute why. Kind of looks like a panda, doesn't it?
Yeah. Hiya.
So the next thing we want to do is we want to do like his ears. So over on this side here, you want to start up here. We're going to go straight line, curve it down, bring it all the way down, and then curve it back into the side of his head. So that's one ear. Now we're going to repeat that same step on the other side. So we're going to go in, out, down, and in again. And as you can see, that his cute ears, his floppy ears. You know, when puppies, when they're small, they've got floppy ears, but when they get bigger, their ears perk up.
Yeah, like our dog.
Like our dog, like Marley was like that, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was very feisty. And
Feisty
our
dog.
feet were bleeding. He used to love me.
All right, so the next bit is we're going to form the top of the puppy's head. You want to just do a curve from one ear to the next, like that. Okay, so we're going to start forming the body of the puppy. Now this is the puppy's head. Now we're going to do the body. Now what I want you to do is I want you to do like a line under here, sort of like a curved line there. So it's sort of directly underneath the nose. Good job. Now we're going to do a line down here, as far as you want to go, sort of about there. So it kind of looks like a T, doesn't it? T. Now, what's going to happen here is we're going to start drawing out the legs of the puppy, so the front legs when he's sitting like this. So we want to do a curve, and you want to curve it around, and then you want to come back in a little bit like that, just like that. It's kind of like a funny looking squiggle, isn't it? Good job, Phoenix. We're going to repeat this same line on this other side here. So you want to curve around, and then go back in like that. Okay. Yep. Now we're going to do two lines like that, one there, and that's the puppy's sort of claws, I guess, or the paws. And we're going to do the exact same opposite thing on the other side, like that. Good work, Phoenix. Now from here, what I want you guys to do is we're going to do like sort of a curved line around here that it will go into his body, the puppy's body. So if you start here, curve around, come around a bit like that, bend in and bring it up to there. So that's the back of his legs, I guess you'd say. Yep. Good work, Phoenix. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So you want to curve up, around, and like that. So that's the back of his body. So what you want to do next is we want to sort of do his paws here. So we're going to do like kind of an upside down U there for his back legs. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Round. Yep. And you guessed it, we're going to do some lines here that curve in to form out his paws. So you can imagine he's sitting up in his hind legs there. It's the puppy. Awesome. Now we're going to do the puppy's cute tail. So let's do a tail over here. I'm going to make a long tail for this puppy. curve around, follow the line. There you go. That's the puppy's tail. Good job, Phoenix. Once you've done the tail, the next step is we can do a number of things here. Sometimes we could put like a little circle around this eye here. So he's got like a patch, you know, when some dogs have got patches. Do you want to do a circle around that eye, Phoenix?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to do something different. I'm going to have some unique looking patches on this puppy. Oh, I like that, Phoenix. And I come out to here, do something like that. So when we color this in, you can color this in brown and keep him white, or, you know, whatever sort of colors you want to do. That's good, Phoenix. Bit of creative license. Awesome. But if you want to keep it simple, just do one circle around his eye. That'll make him look cute. All right, so the next step, I'm going to put a little tongue in this puppy, sort of sticking out here like a U with a line in it. You know, puppies are always sticking their tongue out and going.
I'm just doing a little some spots.
Some spots. Cool. All right, what's the next step? Okay, so our next step is we can draw little things on here. You could draw dog balls, you could draw bones. I'm going to draw like a tennis ball. So just a circle, 2 lines like that, tennis ball. And if you want to draw some dog bones, we can do like a C like that, C like that, bring them in. It's kind of like a funny backward 3, do a couple of lines, and do another 3 at the end here, like that. That's his bone. Cool. Oh wow, Phoenix has done a dog ball. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to do one down here, maybe. It's got some food in it. It's got splashes of, you know, food out here and stuff. There we go. And there we have our cute puppy. Good job, Phoenix. Oh wow, he's cool. Awesome. So, Phoenix, what is the next step?
Color in.
Color in. All right, guys, we'll see you on the other side. Bye. Okay, there we go, guys. We coloured in.
Yay!
Good job, Phoenix. I like what you've done here with your puppy. He's got lots of spots and he's got lots of brown and he's got blue patches, which is pretty interesting. What's his name?
Patchy.
Patchy. Patchy's his name, and you've added little lines here so the tail's wiggling. It's pretty cool. I like it. And you got the tennis ball and food. Why's it a P on there? P for Patchy. There you go. You did it.
And there's a bone.
That's a bone. Cool. Yeah, I've done the same thing. Added a bone, some grass, tennis ball, and rainbow coloured food.
Oh.
And I've done a bunch of patches on him as well, and stuck a collar on him with a little, you know, tag and his tongue. All right, there we go, guys. We coloured in. We had fun. So, what can the folks at home do, Phoenix?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right. They can pause the video anytime to catch up while you're drawing, and please subscribe to our channel so you can see other cool videos that are coming our way. My name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today we had fun making art. I hope you did too.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh no. Oh no.
Walking through a maze, isn't it?
A very fragile maze.